Hello everyone, I am Ritika Juzgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of machine learning, we started our second unit, okay, that is regression, okay. So in that in previous video we discussed about types of regression, and one first type of regression is a linear regression, okay. So in that we already discussed what is meant by linear regression, the graph of linear regression, equation of linear regression, and the linear regression line. Okay, so in the linear regression line there are two types: positive linear relationship and a negative linear relationship. Okay, so in this video we discuss about types of linear regression and finding the best fit line in the linear regression. Okay, so here what are the types present in the linear regression? The first is the linear simple linear regression and the second is the multiple linear regression. Okay, so in the simple linear regression, if a single independent variable, okay, so as I said, independent variables are present in the x-axis and the dependent variables are present in the y-axis. So if the single independent variable is used to predict the value of a numerical dependent variables, then such a linear regression algorithm is called as the simple linear regression. Okay. And what is mean by multiple linear regression? If more than one independent variables, okay, single सिंपल लीनियर रिग्रेशन के अंदर क्या है, एक ही सिंगल इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल हम यूज कर रहे हैं प्रेडिक्ट करने के लिए value of a numeric dependent variable. So this is a simple linear regression. But in the multiple linear regression, if we are having more than one independent variable, it is used to predict the value of some numerical dependent variable. Then this type is called as a multiple linear regression. Okay. So here, so in this, we are having two independent variable, two dependent variable. Okay. अगर हमारे पास अगर एक ही इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है, सो दिस इज अ सिंपल लीनियर रिग्रेशन. बट यहाँ पे क्या है, दो इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स है, दिस इज अ मल्टीपल लीनियर रिग्रेशन. ओके, so these are the two types of linear regression. The next is the finding the best fit line. How to find the best fit line in the linear regression. So when working with the linear regression, what is our main goal? To predict the value of numerical dependent variable, or to predict our main goal is to find the best fit line. That means the error between the predictor values and the actual value should be minimized. Okay, so the best fit line will have the least error. So linear regression के अंदर our goal is what? Find the best fit line. That means error between the predicted value and actual value. Okay, जो हमने predict की है value और हमारा actual value जो होगा उसमें से जो भी error minimize करके जो भी value निकलेगी वो क्या होगी, हमारी best fit line होगी. Okay, it will have the least error. Okay, so the different values of weight or the coefficient of line, जैसे मैंने बताया था A0 and A1, gives a different line of regression. Okay, it gives a different line of regression. So we need to calculate the best value for A0 also and A1 also and find the best fit line based on this A0 and A1. And to calculate we use the cost function. Okay, so by using the cost function we can find out the A0 and A1 values. Okay, coefficient of lines. Okay, so what is mean by cost function? The different values of weights or the coefficient of lines, that is A0 and A1, gives the different line of regression, and the cost function is used to estimate the values of the coefficient for the best fit line. Okay, so the cost function optimizes the regression coefficient or weights, and this cost function it measure how the linear regression model is performed. Okay, based on the cost function we can find out how the regression model is performed. Okay, and in the cost function we can use to find the accuracy of the mapping function. Mapping means what? Input and output. Okay, which maps the input variables to the output variables, and this mapping function is also known as a hypothesis function. In the cost function, if we are using mapping between the input variables and the output variables, so this process of mapping function is also called as a hypothesis function. Okay. So here the next is a residuals. Okay. So for the linear regression, the distance between the actual value and the predicted value is called as a रेसिड्यूअल. ओके, जो भी डिस्टेंस होगा, अगर मैंने जैसे एक्सप्लेन किया था रेनफॉल का एग्जांपल के अंदर, ओके, जो हम रेनफॉल के एक्चुअल वैल्यू हमें मिलनी चाहिए और जो हम ग्राफ पे प्लॉट करके जो हमें जितना अमाउंट ऑफ रेनफॉल की वैल्यू हमें मिल रही है, ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट आवर प्रेडिक्टेड वैल्यू. सो अगर एक्चुअल वैल्यूज में और प्रेडिक्टेड वैल्यूज में कुछ डिफरेंस आता है, सो दिस वैल्यू इज कॉल्ड एज अ रेसिड्यूअल. The distance between the actual value and the predicted value is called as a residual. So if the observed points are far from the regression line, then the residual will be high and also the cost function will high. Okay, so see here. So in previous video we discussed this example. So see here, so this point is a far from the, if I am considering one point. So if I am considering here one point is present, data set is present. If I am considering this point is far from the, okay, so this point is far from the regression line, then the residual will be high. Okay, so this red data set is far from the regression line, then residual is high and so and also cost function will be high. Okay, so this red data set is far from the regression line, then the residue is high and also the cost function will also high. Okay, for the far point. Okay, but if the scatter points are close to the regression line, then the residue will be small and also the cost function is also small. Okay, so यहाँ पे देखो, जो क्लोज वाले जो पॉइंट्स है, रिग्रेशन लाइन के क्लोज कौन सा है, ये वाला एक पॉइंट है. ओके, एंड अगेन if I am considering this point is also near to this regression line. Okay, so this point, that is, these are the scatter points. Okay, we can call it as a scatter points. So these red scatter points are close to the regression line, then the residual will be small and also cost function will small. Okay, clear? So what is the residue? The distance between the actual value and predicted value is the residue. If the observed points are far from the regression line, then the residue will be high and the cost function will be high. And if the scatter points are close to the regression line, then the residue will be small. Hence, the cost function is also be small. Okay. So this is the linear regression, finding the best fit line, cost function, and residue. Thank you.